guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm doing a grocery haul and refrigerator clean out for you guys. No, I did not go grocery shopping like this, but I'll put it back on when I got home. So first things first, I'm going to show you everything I got, and then we will get to cleaning the fridge and putting everything away. So I got 3 packs of drinks. Some of this stuff I got because it is New Year's Eve today and I'm going to be making some things. So it's going to be a little different from my regular grocery haul. But I got some pineapple juice for punch, a case of water. I got 1 liter of Coke to cook with the ham. And I got 1 liter of Sprite for the punch. I got some white beans, 2 cans of chili beans, 2 cans of Rotel, 1 can of cheddar cheese, ketchup, French onion dip, Gushers, and fruit roll-ups because Billy loves those, Hawaiian rolls that I will put the ham in, chips, Doritos, Velveeta cheese and cream cheese, confetti sugar cookies. I thought we would try those. 2 things of broccoli, 1 pack of meat because I have some in the freezer, 1 thing of sherbet. I wanted the Greek kind, but they was out. Tater tots and onions. So I think all of this come from the same grocery store. No, these come from the dollar store, but everything else come from the Food Giant, and I spent $71 there. These were last minute thoughts while I was grabbing laundry detergent, so that's why they are from somewhere else. But now we're just going to put everything up and clean the fridge. Okay, so this is the current state of my refrigerator. I shoved all the cold stuff I just bought in the corner while I put up everything else. But now I'm about to take everything out. I had a pack of meat leak, so I need to clean that out. And I'm just going to throw everything old away, take stuff out of its boxes. Y'all know how it goes. So we're about to do all this right now. So now that everything is out, I'm just going to use my multi-surface spray to wipe it all down. And then I am going to put everything back in there, but that one drawer I took out because I will be washing it in the sink along with the tea pitcher. So I started putting everything back up, and so far this is what we've got. I've done all of the drinks, and I'm just trying to make sure everything can fit but also be seen. And the 1 liter Coke, Sprite, and that juice will probably be gone today when I get done making everything, so I'm not too worried about blocking those with each other. So now I'm just unpacking this water and putting it up here beside on the top shelf, and then we will just keep going from there. I'm not going to take everything out of the door. I'm just going to sort of reorganize it up real quick, and I will take all the sticks of butter out of the box and just sit them in there and just sort of throw things away and just give it a quick clean. I'm not going to wipe it down like I did the other side. Now that everything is put back and or took out, I'm just going to wash this tea pitcher out and the drawer, and then I just sat the tea pitcher empty into the back of the refrigerator because I didn't need to or make tea today. And then after I wash this out, I re-put the meat back in there. So now that everything is back into the fridge, I'm just going to go ahead and change the trash can and take all of these boxes out. And then we will come back in here and wipe down the counters and vacuum. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video and it gave you motivation to clean out your refrigerator. So if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not already, hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.